Hey all, it's April 1st, 7:30 p.m. We did about 13 miles from Flint Mountain Shelter to this nice little bald. We're on the top of a bald right now. Got a little campfire going on, a little campfire action. But yeah, we kind of started off late today because we had a shuttle planned for between 11 and 12 at Sam's Gap. So we shuttled into Erwin, Tennessee. I was able to mail off all of my excess gear that I did not want to carry anymore. And we had a hamburger, some fries, and basically all of us had milkshakes. And the climb after that was pretty rough. We spent about 2 hours there, so we got there at 11:30 and then got back on trail around 1:30. And that climb was insane. Like, that was a bad decision making, but we did it though, man. So the plan tomorrow is to get our miles in early and then go back into Erwin to get out of the bad weather that's coming through, and 0 in Erwin at the Super 8. So be checking for bed bugs.
Nice.
What's going on, guys? We've been zeroing today. Went and saw Dune 2. That was pretty cool. I haven't seen the first one, so it was a wild ride. I'm gonna have to go backtrack on that one, but
Yeah, man.
I'm Paul Trees.
Yeah.
I'm Paul Trees.
Paul Atreides. We took a Uber from the Super 8 in Erwin all the way to Johnson City to the AMC Theater. Just something to do, you know, when we were sitting around all day, so it was good to get out and do something to kill time. But yeah, you could see the snow up in the Tennessee mountains, like from Erwin, so we were like kind of glad. I think we made a good choice, but we'll be hiking it tomorrow, so I'll try to get tons of photos. Yep, it's did get a couple of requests. I'm gonna be videoing. Parker already did the video of his setup for his tent and all his sleeping gear and everything. I'm gonna be remaking mine. Mine was kind of it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to. So, but as far as like the bear question and stuff, yeah, we haven't really seen any bears. There's supposedly like 2,000 in the Smokies, and didn't hear one, didn't see one. One of the people that we're actually through hiking with, though, actually came across the bear when we were doing our little night hike, like maybe 3 nights ago.
I don't believe him.
I don't know, man. It was
haven't seen one, haven't heard one. I don't think they're out here.
Yeah, I'd be more worried about them up north.
We'll see what happens, but I haven't seen any bears, so hoping I see something. I've seen some deer though. I've seen plenty of deer.
Yeah.
Bear.
Took some pictures. We started finding like the glory campsites. Been staying at those. Yeah.
Fancy spots.
Yeah, but we're looking forward to climbing into the Roan Mountain section. So that'll be coming up in the next few days. We might even get a 30-miler in, depending. We've seen the topography on a far out on a section. On the last 40 miles of this section, actually, it's looking pretty sweet. So might try and PR. Yeah.
Okay.
So what else, man? We resupplied here.
Didn't really need much, but yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, there's
Pretty
nothing else. We did do a slat pack from Spivey Gap. Yesterday, actually, we slat packed from Spivey Gap
to Uncle
Johnny's, which is on trail. It's a hostel right on trail.
Pretty easy
Probably about 12 miles. It would have been easy with the backpacks on. But we just wanted to go ahead and get it out of the way. I think I already talked about that. But hey, man, come here.
Get in the video, man.
This guy, if you guys like underdog stories, we have a special guest that's coming in. Come on, dude, show your face, story, dude. Everybody likes an underdog story.
What is it? How is he on
David versus Goliath? Introduce yourself, man.
My name is What If, and this show is sponsored by not a beer company, which I need right now, but I can't have one for free, so they didn't get on this show. Follow me at What If Smiths.
What if so?
I'm just kidding. We'll sit down and do the.
Dude,
What are they called now? It's still called a podcast.
Yes, we're gonna sit down and we're gonna tell them everything what you started out with and what you
do the
ended
rundown
with.
and everything. It's
You
called
won't be able to make it through it, son. Look at your face right now. You smelled me about a half a block away, and you started laughing. You already have to cut that part out before I even came in.
You smelled me.
Dude's funny, man.
Oh man, that's it.